Are you tired of battling dark circles? I was too. In this video, I'm sharing the exact steps I took to finally get rid of my dark circles naturally, without relying on makeup. Understanding the cause. Dark circles under the eyes are a common cosmetic concern, affecting people of all ages and skin types. They can be caused by a combination of factors, including genetics. Sometimes, dark circles are hereditary and might be more challenging to remove completely. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep can cause blood vessels under the thin skin of the eyes to dilate, creating a dark tint. Allergies. Allergic reactions can lead to swelling and discoloration. Aging. As we age, skin thins, making blood vessels more visible. Dehydration. Lack of water can make the under eye area look sunken and dark. Here are some steps and tips you might have to follow to get rid of dark circles without relying on concealer. Improve sleep quality. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Use a comfortable, supportive pillow to avoid fluid accumulation under the eyes. Hydration. Aim for about 8 to 10 glasses a day, though this can vary based on individual needs and climate. Nutrition. Eat a balanced diet. Include foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins C and E to support skin health. Vitamin K. Known for its role in blood clotting, it can help with dark circles caused by blood pooling. Vitamin K skin benefits. Vitamin K, often overlooked in favor of more popular vitamins A, C, and E, offers a range of benefits for the skin. Its antioxidant properties, ability to promote blood clotting, and role in wound healing make it an excellent addition to any skincare routine. Dark circle reduction. Vitamin K helps to reduce the appearance of dark circles by improving blood circulation and promoting collagen production. Skin brightening. Its antioxidant properties help to brighten the skin, reducing the appearance of hyperpigmentation and discoloration. Wound healing. Vitamin K aids in the healing process of skin wounds, cuts, and bruises by supporting the skin's natural barrier function. Anti-aging. Its ability to promote collagen production and improve skin elasticity helps to reduce the signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C. Strengthens blood vessel walls and can brighten the skin. Iron. Deficiency can lead to dark circles. Ensure you're getting enough through diet or supplements. Use a good under-eye cream or serum containing hyaluronic acid to keep the area hydrated. Retinoids. Over-the-counter or prescription products can help increase collagen production, although they should be used carefully due to potential irritation. Cold compresses. Use cold tea bags, cucumber slices, or simply a cold spoon. The cold helps to constrict blood vessels, reducing puffiness and darkness. Eye massage. Gently massaging the area can improve circulation. Use your ring finger to apply light pressure in a circular motion around the eyes. Natural remedies. Almond oil. Gently massage under the eyes before bed. Rose water. Soak cotton pads in rose water and place them over your eyes for 15 minutes. Turmeric. Mix with pineapple juice to form a paste and apply under the eyes. But be cautious as turmeric can stain the skin temporarily. Sun protection. Use sunglasses, hats, and apply sunscreen around the eye area to prevent UV-induced pigmentation. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel under the eyes. It has soothing properties and can help in skin lightening and hydration. Tomato juice. Mix tomato juice with lemon juice and apply this mixture under your eyes. Tomatoes have bleaching properties that can lighten skin effectively. Mint leaves. Crush some mint leaves and apply them around the eyes. Mint has a cooling effect and can help in reducing dark circles. Mint leaves can be combined with other natural ingredients to enhance their effectiveness in reducing dark circles and puffiness. Here are some potential combinations. Egg white and mint. Blend mint leaves with egg whites to create a paste that can help reduce dark circles and puffiness due to the calcium and nourishing properties of egg whites. Turmeric and gram flour with mint. Mix turmeric, known for its lightening agents, with gram flour and mint leaves to create a remedy that can help lighten dark circles. Apple cider vinegar. Dab a small amount of diluted apple cider vinegar and honey under your eyes. To use apple cider vinegar for fine lines and dark circles, dilute it with water, 1:1 ratio, add honey, and apply it to the skin using a cotton pad or incorporate it into a homemade exfoliating mask. Be cautious and start with a small patch test to ensure you don't experience irritation. If irritation occurs, discontinue use or dilute further. Argan oil. Lightly tap argan oil into the skin around your eyes before bed. It's rich in antioxidants and can help repair skin. Caffeine. Look for eye creams with caffeine. Caffeine is commonly used to reduce puffiness and dark circles by constricting blood vessels and reducing fluid buildup. Its efficacy is moderate to good, and it may be short-lived, and repeated use may be necessary for sustained results. Potato. Grate a raw potato, squeeze out the juice, and apply it with cotton balls. Potatoes contain natural bleaching agents, collagen-building foods. Increase intake of foods rich in collagen like bone broth, fish, or consider collagen supplements to improve skin elasticity. Essential oils. Use diluted essential oils like lavender or chamomile for their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Always dilute with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. Manage allergies. If allergies are a cause, manage them with antihistamines or by avoiding allergens. Professional treatment. If home remedies don't work, consider treatments like laser therapy, chemical peels, or fillers which can address pigmentation and volume loss under the eyes. Lifestyle changes. Reduce salt intake to decrease fluid retention. Quit smoking, as it can accelerate aging and exacerbate dark circles. Consistency. Most natural remedies require consistent application over weeks or even months to show results. Patience is key. Remember, what works for one person might not work for another due to different underlying causes of dark circles. If dark circles persist or worsen, it might be worth consulting with a dermatologist or a healthcare provider to rule out any underlying health issues or to explore more intensive treatments. Sleep position. Elevate your head with an extra pillow to prevent fluid from pooling under your eyes, which can contribute to dark circles. Exercise and yoga. Regular physical activity can improve circulation, reducing the appearance of dark circles. Certain yoga poses, especially inversions like shoulder stands, can also help with blood circulation. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time can strain your eyes, contributing to dark circles. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Acupressure. Learn acupressure points that can help with circulation around the eyes. Gently pressing these points can sometimes alleviate dark circles. Hydroquinone. For more stubborn dark circles, a dermatologist might prescribe a cream containing hydroquinone, but this should be used under medical supervision due to potential side effects. Avoid rubbing eyes. Chronic rubbing can cause the skin to darken over time. If you have itchy eyes due to allergies, treat the allergies rather than rubbing. Regular skincare routine. Incorporate gentle exfoliation to remove dead skin cells, which can make the under eye area look darker. Remember, while these methods can help reduce the appearance of dark circles, they might not eliminate them entirely if the cause is genetic or due to anatomical features like deep-set eyes. Also, always do a patch test with any new substance to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction or sensitivity. It's essential to perform a patch test to detect potential allergic reactions or sensitivities. This simple procedure involves applying a small amount of the substance to a discrete area of skin, usually behind the ear or on the inner forearm, and waiting for 24 to 48 hours to observe any reactions.